Well, hello, my inky friends. It's Cindy Lynn with My Inky Fingers. Thank you so much for joining me today on my YouTube channel and blog. If you're new here, welcome. You're probably here because you want to see not only what's in the Harvest Haunts paper pumpkin kit, but what is all this business about? All these numbers and designs. I'm going to tell you exactly what those are for. I'm going to tell you what's in the kit really quick first, and then I'll get into that. We've got our soft, succulent Stampin' Spot this month, and some really cute little stamps, some snowflakes and some leaves, and these say thank you. Hey there, pumpkin. I pick you every time. How adorable is that? You're a blessing and happy Halloween. And these little guys here, these are so cute, aren't they? Now, to enter in my giveaway, because I give away a paper pumpkin subscription each month, I want you to let me know in the comments below to enter what you would do with these. So in a sentence, let me know what you would use these cute little gift favors for, and you will be entered. I need to know where you live in the world, because Canadians are eligible for the paper pumpkin subscription, and anywhere else in the world, I've got a special little treat I'm going to mail you. So with that being said, oh, really quick, I should probably mention all your instructions are in here, of course, to make all of these adorable little treat favors. And you've got all your cute little leaves, and I mean, they've even put the twine in here, you guys, for the tops of these. And I was just playing with it. Just curl it. I mean, you could put it over a pencil or a pen too and curl it that way and then stretch it out. I mean, I would cut them in half and really stretch them. You've got your adhesive here so that when you piece these all together, you can adhere them with your adhesive. And they've even included all of these cute little faces. So, I mean, so cute, right? I mean, I can rip those off in an afternoon, and I actually see me using these, and you could put people's names on them, you know, at the dinner table for Thanksgiving or whatnot, and you could use those year after year, or they can take them home with them, right? The little tags. Now, what is this business all about, right? Well, let me tell you, you can do one of two things. You can follow your QR code, here, or the link in the description down below. This is a wheelbarrow, so you're going to cut it all out and whatnot, and you've got extra stickers to put for your wheels. There's 2 sheets of them for your wheels, and you'll see in the little video, I didn't see the need to make a whole nother video for you guys because Stampin' Up did one, but you can actually take your tissue paper once you've put your little wheelbarrow together, scrunch it up, put it all in there, and put all of your little favors inside of it. I mean, that would look super cute just by the doorway, right? So don't forget to enter in the giveaway down below. Leave me a sentence letting me know what you would use these for. Tell me where in the world that you are, and stay tuned to my channel for the winners, which I will announce in my live stream on the last Thursday of this month of September. So tune in to the live stream to see who won. I will draw random winners, and until I see you guys again, take care and happy stamping.